Sometimes put ourselves in a very difficult position, very uncomfortable when we try to seek validation for every single thing we're doing. You see, some of us can't deal with the idea of rejection, can't deal with the idea of someone saying, hey, what you're doing is wrong, or I don't like what you're doing. But then you have to understand that these things are natural. They're going to come, and those are opinions of people about you. And you have to understand something, right? When you're doing you, people are going to throw their opinions at you, but then you have to now find a way to channel those opinions, right, into something else. Into something else. You need to learn how to detach it from getting into your heart, so it doesn't define who you are. So if you believe